Most especially, thank you, Tita Grace and Tito June. Before, before I walked down the aisle, I spent mga 15 to 20, 30 minutes na nag-chika mi ni Tito June. And it was a good chika. Thank you, Tito June, for the pep talk. Kung pep talk ba to, but thank you. Tita Grace, a lot of you may not know na the story behind nga nung si Tita Grace akong gikuha. So let me preface it by saying na there are only 2 times in my life na gigamit na ko ang names sa akong parents. One was audit na mo, niya, kailangan kayo na mo ang documents sa isa ka kliyente na mo. Kailan ni Papa. So akong gigamit akong ngalan, Sir, Ma'am, sa secretary, Sir, Ma'am, ako ang anak ni Sir Ernel Francisco. Pwede ko mga yung documents sana. The second time was when I sent a message to Tita Grace na, Ma'am Grace, I am the daughter of Portia and Ernel. I would like you to be our coordinator for our wedding. Ngayon si Tita Grace, going back pila ka years ago, in fact, when I was in elementary, I saw for the first time The Wedding Planner. Movie na siya by Julia Roberts? Julia Roberts. I remember then, I was so inspired by what it takes to come up with a beautiful wedding. Kay, ang movie is about how Julia Roberts, the wedding planner, was able to come up with a beautiful wedding and found love herself. So, mutoy nitatak na ko. I asked my parents if naabay wedding planner sa Dumaguete. Ano sila na, murag wala, ano. Nandiyan si Papa na, ay murag si Grace. Ano. So, kinsa si Grace? Si Grace Sisip, ana. So I asked, and then migawas na tong, so the backstory came in. Mama worked for Tita Grace's mother. She knew Tita Grace and Tita Ina when they were young, when they were growing, Ma'am Ina when they were growing up. Ana. So moto, so I was filled with stories of this wonderful family. So come high school, if my batchmates would remember, 4th year, El Filibusterismo, na tayo project na gikasal, di ko ka-remember kinsa gikasal, basta na yung wedding, kanya atong project kay mag-make og kanang wedding invitation, wedding cake, di ba? So I'm not dili na akong imagination lang. So, moto. So, I was in a group, syempre, ako'y gipaon, so ako ang bride. And kinsa akong groom, Lee Min-ho. Lee Min-ho. We picked the best. Lee Min-ho, katong gwapo na Korean actor. So, moto akong groom. My groom is Lee Min-ho, I am the bride. And then, when we were making it, my group mates gave me the autonomy to choose my invitation, my cake, everything. Sumoto, gapalami ko. I knew right then and there na black jud ako ang ganahan na wedding. Not because vampire, kamu ba? OA mo. Kanang not because kay gothic or anything, but black is a symbol of elegance for me. And it's a timeless color. You can never go wrong with black. So moto, I knew na if you have black as a color throughout the years, it would remain constant. And, nag-explain. Pero oo, kay natingala man sa mama nga nung black ako yung gipili. And then, if you didn't know, 1 year dyan na mo giplanuhan. 1 year na mo gihangyo si mama na musugot siya og black.
All black.
Kami ni Tita Grace. It was because of Tita Grace na nag-come into fruition ang black. with burgundy. Burgundy being suggestion ni Mama. So, muna siya. But it was black. But I know na custom sa Filipinos, black is mourning color. Dili siya for celebration. So, motto. So, it all comes back to when I was younger, I knew na my wedding would be black and I would get Tita Grace as my coordinator. So, fast forward throughout the years, things happen. Eventually, I lost hope na I'd get that black wedding. So, may ganing si Richard. May ganing si Richard. Pag-ingon na, unsay inyong ganahan na wedding? Unsay ganahan ni Sarah? Sige. Perfect. Unsay ganahan ni Sarah, ayog panghilabot. So, moto.
Always right. Always right.
Ni contact ko ni Tita Grace. I asked Mama from the start na unsaon ako pag-contact si Tita Grace. Ni chat ko niya. And then a week went by na wala ni response si Tita Grace. Yan na si Mama na, ay sige na lang, pili na lang uglain. Kay basig dili, busy jud si Grace. So, being the procrastinator that I am, pero bitaw, gahi ra jud kog ulo. Kanang nag-wait ra jud ko na mabasahan to ni Tita Grace. Eventually, nabasahan ni Tita Grace. So, here we are now. I just want to say na all our suppliers, all our vendors, we thought of very hard. We chose them because we know they could deliver. They could give us a good outcome and they could give us our vision. They could put it to life. So moto, a lot of this, I will give credit where it is due. So Tita Grace, Tito Jun, kay dili man jud kumabot sa altar og wala si Tito Jun. Thank you. Thank you kaayo.